Okay. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If it is your first time here, my name is More. It's the YouTube babe right here. So the other day we did a quick tutorial on how you can have clear skin, and I actually noticed it's like getting yourself the glass skin, doing away with let's say pimples, a lot of sebum. Like recently I just noticed that I have let go of my skin to an extent. Another friend of mine was like, no girl, go back, you're forgetting your skin. And so I decided to just take care of it, and as usual we are using home remedy right here. What I've mixed, even it's not a lot, just a small portion because it's for just right now. I have added in here some honey, and then I've added in some salt and sugar. I'll be showing you how to apply, and then afterwards I'm going to be using these masks, and it's actually for the very first time I'll be reviewing the masks as we continue. So please make sure that you do like this video, share it out there, talk to me in the comment section, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and you can always check in the description a link to other product reviews and all. I'll be telling you how I'll feel using this. But first of all, let's dive into the application of these. Told you I've touched it. No, it's just falling. I've told you my face is already clean, my hands are already clean. Always make sure your hands are clean if you're using your hands to directly apply any products on your face. And tell me how it's going to react to you and all. And yeah, let's just continue. Let me just apply it. Remember, you always told to just massage it onto when it's too thick. My hand was so like I'm exfoliating my skin. I've been in the kitchen too much. Remember, vapor and all. I've been a good wife, material, immigrant. I've been working in the kitchen for so much, and whatever I've been doing, you find that it involves lots of vapor coming to your face. The next thing you do is clean your face. I have cleaned my face, and it feels really good. During the second cleaning, I haven't done the wrap thing. Actually, I've just used my own hands. I haven't even used the face gloves and all. I was just removing the sugar, the honey, well, just the mixture at large. So please make sure that you do subscribe to this YouTube channel as we continue. We're always told to tap dry. I missed guys. A little bit of Victoria. I'm trying to skip one. It's feeling so nice. Alright, actually, just try it and tell me. The reason I'm using a toner is so that all the products from my face, from my mask can be absorbed on the inside. I'm telling you, as you continue, so many things that you shouldn't skip while doing this particular thing. And after all, it's the first time I am using. We are trying out this face mask. Sadoel or something. This is it. Here's our mask. Moisture. It's wet. So the one we need is this one on top. This one. Smells like oranges. You just place it on your face. So we're going to let it settle in for 15 to 20 minutes, and then one thing that you told is don't let your mask like dry off, because it will actually do the opposite of what it's supposed to do. And have some particles here. So whatever remains inside here, don't throw it away. Just apply it on maybe your neck, your hands, and all. I told you, so I'm using this today, vitamin C. Applying every remaining part of it onto my other skin. Body part.
Oh my goodness, one thing I'll tell you is that you'll feel really nice. It feels nice. And my face, my goodness, give me a couple of days and you'll see quite a difference. Anyways, make sure that you do check the description for more product reviews and ideas, tutorials here and there. Apparently, after removing the face mask, my camera decided to do that thing. So I just had this small piece for my TikTok, of which I will not even post on TikTok, I bet, but maybe I will. And all I can say, it's amazing, a good feeling. Afterwards, I just apply a moisturizer to your face, toner, or just leave it like that for the time being, and that's it. Easy peasy. See you on the next update. I'm really sorry for the last part, but mambo ya dunia haya, camera technology kishamwa, Well and good. Let's catch up on the next update. To watch more of my videos, products, and all, check in the description the bonus link, or just click up here. See you on the next one. Bye.